Welcome to BadRock. On the BadRock homepage, you can learn more about the platform and download the application for Windows or Mac OS. Let's create your account. Registration only takes a few minutes. Once completed, you'll become part of the BadRock community. Now let's take a look at the main sections of the application. Terminal is the primary workspace of the platform. This is where you launch trading presets, monitor their current status, and track their performance. The Strategies tab contains all available trading strategies. The Presets section is your preset library. Here you can review preset settings, run walk forward, and explore presets shared by other members of the BadRock community. The Screeners tab helps you find instruments that have shown consistent price movement over the past 7 to 30 days, offer solid liquidity, and provide reliable trade execution with minimal slippage. The next section is Optimization. This is where you'll run backtests, optimize your strategy, and validate the results. BadRock offers 3 optimization modes: Optimize, Deep Search, and Genetic Search. Each mode applies a different search method, with Genetic Search delivering the most precise parameter optimization. Next, let's install the application. If you haven't installed the application yet, you can download it directly from the BadRock website by selecting either the Windows or Mac OS version. You can also download and install the application directly from the optimization section using the built-in download link. Once the installation is complete, launch the application and sign into your account. To connect BadRock to your Exchange account, you'll first need to create an API key. For this tutorial, we'll use Bybit as an example. Go to the API management page and create a new API key with the required permissions. Copy your API key and secret key. Return to BadRock, open the Accounts section, and add your API credentials. After the connection is verified, your Exchange account is ready, and you can start using the platform. Before using the platform, you'll need to choose a subscription plan. Review the available plans, select the one that best fits your needs, and complete the payment. Once your payment is confirmed, your subscription will be activated automatically, and all included features will become available. Let's go through the complete workflow of preparing a strategy for live trading. First, open the Strategies tab and choose the strategy that best fits your trading idea. Next, use Screeners to find a trading instrument that meets your criteria. Then switch to the Optimization tab, select the instrument, configure the required parameters, and run a backtest. The backtest shows how the strategy would have performed using historical market data. At this stage, we're looking for promising results by evaluating profit factor, the number of trades, maximum drawdown, and other important performance metrics. If the results don't meet your expectations, select a different strategy and run the test again. Once we've identified a promising strategy, the next step is optimization. 3 optimization modes are available: Optimize, Deep Search, and Genetic Search. Each mode applies a different search method, while Genetic Search delivers the most precise parameter optimization. Start the optimization and let the system complete the search. By default, the optimizer searches for 600 valid candidates. If fewer than 600 valid candidates are found, the optimization automatically continues and may evaluate up to 1,800 candidates. This increases the chances of finding stronger parameter combinations for further evaluation. Once the optimization is complete, it's time to run walk forward. Walk forward is one of the most important validation steps. It tests how well the optimized parameters perform on unseen market data that wasn't used during optimization. This makes it easier to identify overfitted presets and focus on strategies that are more likely to remain stable in real market conditions. Notice that although the optimization produced strong results, the walk-forward performance is significantly weaker. This is a good example of why optimization results alone should never be used to evaluate a strategy. Optimization helps identify promising parameter combinations, but it doesn't guarantee stable performance in future market conditions. That's why the first optimization result shouldn't automatically become your final choice. Continue evaluating the optimized presets by validating each one with walk forward. When comparing the results, look beyond net profit, profit factor, trade count, maximum drawdown, and overall strategy stability are equally important. Only a comprehensive analysis of all these metrics allows you to identify the most reliable parameter set. Once you've identified a reliable parameter set and completed all validation stages, create a preset and launch it from the terminal. Your strategy is now ready to trade automatically using the parameters you've selected. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions about BadRock or the platform's features, feel free to leave a comment below. We'll be happy to answer them.